Did you know that advanced stem cell treatments are changing lives? For many patients in Libya, medical options can be limited, but India offers a world-class solution. In Libya, access to cutting-edge treatments can be challenging. Many patients struggle to find advanced therapies for neurological, orthopedic, and chronic conditions. Stem Cell Care India (SCCI) offers specialized stem cell therapy services tailored for Libyan patients seeking advanced medical treatments. That's why many Libyan patients choose India for their medical care. With specialized clinics, expert doctors, and affordable treatment, India is a leading destination for stem cell therapy. Stem cell therapy uses the body's natural healing power to regenerate damaged tissues. Our advanced procedures offer hope for conditions. Additionally, the cost of medical procedures, including stem cell treatments, is significantly lower in India compared to many Western countries, making it economically feasible for many Libyan individuals. India's warm hospitality and cultural affinity towards Libyan patients further contribute to a comfortable and reassuring medical journey. If you or a loved one is looking for advanced stem cell treatment, Stem Cell Care India is ready to help. Contact us today to start your journey to better health.